Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the Queen Muto. Now, I've had a lot of people request for me to draw this, so I'm finally going to get around to drawing it. And if you guys have any more different Godzilla Titans you'd like me to draw, definitely let me know and I'll try my best to draw them all. But thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Now, to start off with our Queen Muto, we're going to begin with the head. I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come down. Then I'm going to make it come down like this. Then I'm going to bring it in to kind of make that hooked beak shape. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve around here. Next, starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down. We'll draw a line that comes down here. Make a line that curves up to a point and down. Then I'm going to bring this line up, and we're going to bring it up here to form the jaw. Right here, I'll make a line that comes to a point. It's going to come down and in. Then right here, we'll draw a line that comes down and then in like this. Now, starting up here, I'm going to take this line and I'm going to bring it way up here towards the top of the paper. Then I'm going to bring it down a little bit so it comes to a point. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come up. And then right here, make a line that goes down and then up for the eye. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that curves down and up, and I'm going to add some more of these to make it look like there's some wrinkles on the neck. Next, we want to bring this line down, and right here we want to make the arm. So to do this, we'll draw a line that comes down. Next, we'll make one that comes up and down. We'll bring this line up. Next, we'll draw a line that comes down and then back up for one of the really small hands. Then we'll draw a line that comes down and then comes up here. We'll draw another line down here and a line that goes up and down. Then we come up and down and up here for the second hand. Then we can always make a line that goes down and up like this. Now, starting right up here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. I'm going to leave a little bit of space, and we'll make a line that comes down here. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out. And it's going to come down. And I'm going to bring it around here. Bring this up to a point and then down. Then I'm going to curve a line over here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. Make a line that goes out and then in. And another one's going to go out and in. Then I'm going to draw this line up, and we're going to curve it up and make it come to a point. Now, starting up here, we're going to make another line that's going to come to a point. It's going to go up, come to a point, and then it's going to come down. And then right up here, we're going to just draw a couple little lines to connect it. Now, starting over here, I'm going to start right by the hands. We'll start right about here. We'll make a line that goes down, and then it's going to come down like this. Make a line that's going to come around. It's going to come to a point and down. Bring this line up to here, and then bring it back. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out, and it's going to come down. Make another one that goes out and down, and we're going to bring it to here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. It's going to go over. It's going to come up to the point and then connect. Now, starting up here, we're going to add another point that's going to come up and down. And then I'm going to start adding some smaller ones that are going to come down. So we'll do one here. Make another one that goes out and down. And another one that goes out and down here. Next, we'll make a line that comes in. Then we'll draw a line that goes down, and then it's going to come over. Make a line that comes down. Then I'm going to add a line that goes down and then in for like a little toe. Make another one here that goes down and then up. And another one down and up here. Draw a line that's going to go up. It's going to come to a point and in. Draw a little line over. Then we'll draw a little line that's going to come up and then in here for that back leg. Starting here, we'll make a line that comes out and then it's going to come in. Draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to come out and in. And another one's going to go down and back here for that other leg. We'll draw a line up here to connect it. And we'll make a little line that's going to go up and then in, just to show that's kind of behind this leg. Then starting back here, we're just going to draw a little line that's going to come down and in. Make it come to a point and down. And then we're just going to bring it right up to here, to show that there's that other leg back there too. Now, here's our basic shape of our Queen Muto. And now we just want to come in here and add some of the different details. So let's start on the face. I'm going to bring this line in and just kind of make some broken lines as I draw it up. We're going to make some little lines underneath the eye here. We'll draw some long lines that just kind of come up here to show some detail. And then I'm going to make another line that's just going to go down and up, and then up here just to show some more detail. We can draw a couple little extra lines right around the arms. And a couple little curved lines around here. And then I like to add some little broken lines in some different areas. I'm going to make some long lines that come down the legs here. And some extra little lines kind of right around these different areas. We can add some little lines kind of coming up the arms. And then maybe a couple little kind of long broken lines over here by the body. I'm going to make a long line coming down here. A couple little curved lines here. And a couple of curved lines right around the toes. And a few lines just right around here, wherever you want to, just kind of add some more details. I'm going to add a couple lines right here by the face. And maybe another line or two right down the head. We'll add a couple more right here on the toes. And a line or two by the arms. And there you go. There is your drawing of the Queen Muto. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.